everybody. So I'm doing my makeup for Black Widow from Captain America the Winter Soldier, so that's why I've got my wig on and why it's pulled back out of my face. I did a lot of stuff first because it's just basic makeup stuff. Obviously, if you're recreating this look, you can use whatever your base makeup is. I used the Tarte, sorry, I'm pulling out everything because I can never remember the names. The Tarte Base Tape Primer, also Benefits, the POREfessional Pore Primer, Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer, Tarte Face Tape Foundation. Let's see here, find all the other things. SHEGLAM Contour Stick in Soft Tan. And then the Kimchi Chic Puff Puff Pass Set and Bake Powder. I haven't done blush yet. And then for my eyes, I use the Beauté, I think I'm saying it correctly now, Eyeshadow Amplifying Base and Light. So I've got everything ready. I'm just going to do my eyeshadow. That's about the only thing that I think is kind of different than normal makeup. It's actually pretty similar to a lot of the other MCU women. There's a lot of like really just subtle makeup. There's not really, you know, anything too wild. So I'm using my go-to nude palettes, the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette and the ColourPop, that's Taupe palette. So I'm gonna start with in the Nightingale palette, color that's called Hide and Seek. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lids. Using a different brush, I'm gonna go in the Nightingale palette and get this color called Nocturnal. It's kind of a off-white color. I use that along my brow. And then going in that same palette, there's a color called After Midnight. It's kind of a charcoal gray. And I'm going to kind of use that as my eyeliner color. So I'm going to go really close along the lash line up here and then under my eye too. All right, now I'm gonna go back in with that hide and seek color and kind of buff out this eyeliner color a little bit. And I'm gonna use that same brush because I'm just gonna go a little bit darker. I'm using a color out of the That's Taupe palette called Python, and it's gonna be kind of my crease color here. And then I'm gonna use this color out of the That's Taupe palette called Snake Eyes. It's kind of a shimmery color, but I'm just gonna sort of put it all over my lid. I don't think that she actually wears like a shimmer color for the movie, but I like it because it kind of makes my eyes pop a little bit more. And I don't think it's too much, so it should be okay. So that's basically the eyeshadow. It's pretty basic. Now I'm gonna move on to, sorry for all the clanking. I'm gonna move on to my mascara, and I'm gonna use my Maybelline Lash Discovery Waterproof Mascara. All right, then moving on to blush. Seems to me like her blush is pretty natural looking, so I'm going to use the NARS blush in Orgasm, because that's a pretty natural color on me. I'm going to go on to brows. I'm going to use the NYX Cosmetics, or NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil in Auburn. Actually, no, I'm not. I think this one's out. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in Auburn instead, since my other one was out. They're very similar products, by the way, so if you want to save money, go with the NYX one, because I think they're pretty much on par with each other. All right, now we're gonna move on to lipstick. I don't have a lip liner that matches this lipstick, so we're just gonna make do. I am gonna start with my ColourPop lipstick, Lippie Stix primer. And then I'm gonna use the it's MAKIAGE, I think that's how it's pronounced. Dirty Talk Matte Lip Color in Elwa. All right, so this color isn't probably screen accurate at all, but I think any sort of pinky nude is gonna look okay. This is just the one that I picked out. I tried some other ones, but I kind of like this one. So yeah, I'm just gonna use setting spray on my face. I'm gonna use my Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray, but I won't do that on camera because that's boring. But yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna take my hair down and brush out a little bit, and then I'll come back with sort of the final look. All right, I'm back. So this is the final look. Well, not my costume, I don't have that on yet, but yeah, that's this tutorial. I mean, it's not necessarily screen accurate, but it's what I do. Hopefully it helps somebody who is trying to recreate this look for their Black Widow costume. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.